Hey guys, this is Upen once again. Friends, as I have promised, I'm going to completely focus on Meta VPAT token, which is the biggest sale of Metaverse in 2021. And as I have promised, I'm going to show you how can you take parts in Meta VPAT token pre-sale free. So TronPad is giving you opportunity. Uh, they are giving 5% for public whitelisting, which means no tokens required. You don't need tokens. You just need to complete their task. They will tell you when the pre-sale started. Before that, you need to complete KYC. Here, you need to complete KYC and you need to connect a wallet. Which wallet? I'm using, let me show you, I'm using Tronlink wallet, friends. So I have 43 TRX here, and I have also purchased 31 TronPad token, because for KYC you need 10 TronPad token, just 10 TronPad pad token, which will cost you about $1.5. In just $1.5 you can do KYC of TronPad, and then what you need to do, you need to connect there on TronPad website. This is the website of TronPad. You need to connect here, and your KYC button pop up. You need to complete KYC. Like if I click on the KYC, they will show you. Yeah, now they are saying me thank you, because I have already completed my KYC process. But if you didn't, they will show you a form which is very simple. What you need to do, you just have a national identification document, and you just need to have a identification document and a camera. Let me see you what you required. So they have shared completely what you need. It's 2 minutes post the process. The document you need is any of them, like government ID, passport, driving license, any one of this. By this you can do your KYC. What you need to do, you just need to write. Okay, they need a selfie. So they need a selfie, so your documents should be with you. And in a paper, you need to write TronPad, current date, and the last four character of your Tron wallet. And you just need to take selfie with this paper and the document. And you need to fill the form from the from this KYC button. And this KYC button will pop up when you connect your wallet here. And your wallet should have 10 TronPad token. Yeah, you need more than 10 TronPad token. So that's it, friend. When you just need to complete these processes and you are ready for the public whitelisting. So this is a simple step. You just need to follow it and follow the step as soon as possible, because we just have 2 days for IDO. And you know, this KYC process sometimes can take one or more than 1 day. So that's it, friend. Because this is important, because TronPad is the only chance for the public whitelisting, and if you want to take part in IDO for free, because ETHPad has stopped their public whitelisting, as you can see that. The 5% token from the public lottery has now been discontinued. So the 5% token of public whitelisting from the ETHPad was they have offered, now they have discontinued it. So you just have TronPad. So go and do the KYC as soon as possible, and I'm going to updating you every information regarding to MetaVPad. You just need to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Friends, if you like my effort, please subscribe my channel, and also please like this video. If you have any queries, please comment below. I will try to answer as soon as possible. Okay, friends, till then, take care. Bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.